Yo, it's summer. Well, I'm in New York, so it's still like 40 degrees outside, but for most of you, it's summer, and hopefully it'll be summer for me soon, which means I need you to be wearing those right pieces, bro. Like those key pieces that not only will keep you fresh, it'll keep you cool, keep the sweat down, but it's gonna keep you looking stylish, bro. Let's hop into this. Number one, white tank tops. I know, you're gonna come for my throat. You're gonna come for me in the comments. Jose, I think you told me not to wear wife beaters like 5 years ago. You're damn right I did, right? But yo, styles change. And I got eaten alive. I was at Coachella, I think it was like last weekend or 2 weekends ago, whenever it was. And I was wearing a wife beater. Yo, I'm in the desert, it's hot, and I kind of like the vibe. It was fresh, you put a nice layering piece, and in my opinion, I think the fit looks sick, so I'm gonna be honest with you. I think wife beaters, not only are they making a comeback, it's a great piece where you can layer. It could be your base. I don't know if I would wear it by itself, but you can definitely layer another piece on top of it. Number two, stacked necklaces. Think about it. The chess game's coming on point. You're gonna see some collarbone. You're gonna see some of that pec action, especially if you're wearing the tank top, especially if you're wearing them linen shirts. See, when you're starting to bring out that chest action, your necklace game is gonna become important. And if you learn how to stack properly, which I did a whole video on how to wear necklaces and how to stack them, I would watch it if I were you. This is where you're gonna start getting those brownie points. Not too many guys know how to wear necklaces, let alone wear multiple necklaces and look good doing so. I want you to give it a shot. I'm telling you, stack necklaces this summer, it's gonna be on fire. Number three, sunglasses. I mean, this is a no-brainer, right? Like, this is that staple that's gonna be a staple every summer for the rest of your life. This is why, if you don't have a good pair of sunglasses, yo, go check out Jade Black, right? My brand, Jade Black, we work endlessly to design those stylish pieces because I don't just want you to have the classics, which that's what you should have, right? Get your aviators, get your club mat. These are the ones that you can wear at all times. That way, whether it's this summer or the summer 10 years from now, you're always looking good. But I also want you to pick up the pieces that are trending. I want you to pick up the pieces that are in style now that is also gonna elevate your summer fits. And the great thing with Jade Black, we don't break the bank. Bro, our glasses are $50 and we're using Italian acetate. We're using polarized lenses to protect your eyes from the sun. Stainless steel construction. I'm talking the build quality that designers have for $300-400 glasses. We're giving it to you for $50. And I'm telling you this because the factory that I use, I know the designers by name. They're using our products as well. They're selling for $400, bro. We're selling it to you for $50. So now you can literally buy 3, 4, 5 pairs of sunglasses. Be ready for summer for any fit you got, and it's still cheaper than just one pair of designer. And if that's not it, we also got free shipping and free returns here in the US, which means you can buy yourself several glasses, try them on, see which ones you like, and return the ones you don't. If you guys want to check out Jade Black, it'll be linked down below. Number four, linen shirts. This is a no-brainer, but I'm gonna be honest, when it comes to summer, I still like to layer because layering just adds complexity. However, when you do layer, you gotta be smart about it, and the fabrics that you're using have to be summer oriented. In other words, they gotta be breathable, they have to be thinly woven, and you wanna get some of that airflow. Linen shirts, it's that perfect layering piece or piece to wear by itself where you're gonna stay fresh and look good. Number five, chunky loafers. Yo, loafers are making a strong comeback. Remember what I was telling you about that grandpa style? Well, that's making a strong comeback, and loafers are coming in with it. So obviously your penny loafers, your horsebit loafers, those are all trending and they're classic. I've had my pair of horsebit now for like 6 years. They look good every year. However, take that same design and then put a chunky sole underneath. Mad trending right now. Number six, light wash jeans. This is crucial. See, when it's summer, you also want to bring down the colors on your palette. Not only because, you know, changing color palettes is trending, but also because there's functionality. See, most of you don't know this, but lighter colors perform better during the summer because when the sun is beaming on you, the lighter colors reflect the light off of you to keep you cooler. When you wear darker colors, let's say like black, when the sun's beaming on you, the black absorbs that heat and it keeps it close to your body, and that's why you feel super stuffy and hot when you wear all black. Well, when it comes to your jeans, which is already a stuffy fabric, it's time to change the color on them and make them lighter so you feel fresher. Finally, number seven, bring in more color. Yo, I've been talking a lot about this lately where, look, neutrals are great. I love neutrals and it's what I wear 95% of the time. But here and there, it's always good to mix some of those neutrals with the pop of color, whether it's in your sneakers, in your pants, or in your top. When you do so, I promise you, you're gonna elevate those summer fits and you're gonna be looking more stylish. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our brand Jade Black glasses. If you guys want to check them out, they're going to be linked down below. That's it for your boy. See you next time.